Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have started the Java series, and I hope you are understanding that all things which we have done through Java. We have till covered up two videos of Java, in which one is introduction video and the second one is what is Java, in which I have given you detail, and we have not worked on practically any project here. So today also we are not working on any project, but I will be today telling you that what accelerator you should download for Java and why Java is important. Then in the coming up video, I will be telling you that what are the use of Java and basically what are these folder which we are getting on Java, like I've telling you in the React 18 series. So today video will be also really helpful because in this video I will be setting up the development of Java, like how to download Java, what accelerator we should use when we are working with Java, and what are the things important in Java. So I hope you'll be understanding this video as well. If you understand this setting up development environment video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see all the coming up videos. And remember to share these videos so more people can learn and they can see that how to work with Java and basically what is Java from start to end, because this is only the starting. We will be covering up many of the videos using Java, like we have ended the React 18 series and I've covered up 63 or 64 videos using React 18, and I hope you understand that from start to end. But if you are having any queries or question about React 18, you can ask me in the comment section, and you can also ask questions about Java if you want to ask. You can ask anything about Java if you don't know that. I will be giving the answer of anything you will be asking in the comment section, or you can also contact me through my social media accounts, which I have given you the link from, because there I am also active and you can ask question there as well. So just now we'll be starting with our video, but before that, if you have not checked my previous videos which I have covered up using React 18, so remember to check that out if you want to learn React 18 from start to end, because I've telling all the start things which a beginner needed to learn about that. And I'm also just covering up big videos as well, in which I'm building project using different languages, and I hope you are understanding that all projects which we are building, so that will also giving you help. So remember to check that things out. So now basically we'll be starting with our today's Java video, and we'll be seeing that how to setting up development in Java and what are the things important in this video, like in the previous one was. So just like I've telling you in this video, I will be telling you about like how to set up development environment in Java. So now we'll be starting with this video and seeing that what are the things when we are working with Java, and what like you can say we have to download when we have to use Java. So for working with Java, first of all, we have to learn that what things we have to download when we are working with Java. So for downloading Java, you have to first of all open your Google, and in the Google tab you have to write here only Java. After writing this Java here, it will be giving you the first you can say the link of Java Oracle. So you have to press this first link here, and then you have to just now download Java. So you can see here you can download the you can say desktop application for Java. So we don't have to download the desktop application, we have to download the version of Java. So for downloading Java, you have to move at the back, and you can see it is saying that download Java for Windows. So you have to move here, and you have to by pressing this button you have to download Java. So you can download your Java in any of the Windows operating system which you are having, like 64-bit or 32-bit. So you can download in any of them by pressing this download Java button. You can also search about many of the other versions if you want to learn or if you want to download about Java. After downloading this Java, if you want to check that Java is downloaded or not, so you can just move into your command prompt, then write here -version Java, press enter. You can see it is saying that it is not verified. So here I will be writing Java like this right here. You can see now when I've written Java, so it is giving me the code here, means that it is telling me all the things which you can just do when you are just working with Java. So for seeing the version, you can just write here --show version to just see the version here of Java. So I will be now just writing here Java -show version, press enter. You can see it is saying me that unrecognized. So here I will be writing Java version. So here it will be giving me the version of Java. You can see my Java version is 19.0.1, which is the 2022 version which I am using here. So you can just use any of the Java version. If you want to use the latest version, you can download. I am using the older, not too much older version. It is, you can say, 1 year older version, but it can be used here. So you can just also download this version, or if you want to download the new version, so you can do that. I think that, and I will be giving you the opinion to download the new version, so it will be easy for you to get all the features. In this also you will be getting all the feature, but it will be required feature which you will be getting in this version. I will be updating that when we are working with Java moving forward. So now like this, you can download the Java by moving on to this Java Oracle. When you have downloaded this Java, so now we have to learn that what text editor is important for Java we can use. So for downloading the text editor, you have to just now move here. So there are many of the text editor which you can just download when you are working with Java. You can use VS Code, you can use Notepad, Notepad++. You can also use Android Studio. That is only the text editor which you can use for Java. And there is many of the other text editor as well, like Atom and many of the other. But for a beginner, I think that Android Studio is the best text editor which you can work with. So I think that you should download Android Studio. So for moving here, you can just download Android Studio by just getting here. So I have written Android Studio download. So you have to press Android Studio. After pressing this, you have to move to this first window of Android Studio. And after moving to Android Studio, you have to download this Android Studio, because if you want to work with Java, so this is the best text editor which you can use as your Java output. So I think that Android Studio you can download. You can also work with VS Code, that is also really helpful. But for beginner, I think that this text editor will be best for you. So you can just use this thing. You can also see it will be giving you the layout here. I've downloaded already this text editor. Here you can see this Android Studio. You can see when we were working with Python, so I've telling you that you can download it. And for working with Java, I think that this text editor is best. There are many other various text editor which you can use, like VS Code and other. We'll be starting with VS Code, but I'm telling you to download this because when we'll be moving forward, so this text editor will be playing a major role when you are working with Java. So remember to download this. But today we are working with VS Code, and I'll be telling you that how you can just work with VS Code. So for creating the file of Java, just you have to move to file, press here new file. After creating new file, just you can give here name to your file. So I will be writing main. So for saving JS means Java file, you have to just write the command of .java. So if I write this command, or if you don't want to write this .java, you can directly write main. You can press this all files from here. After pressing this all files here, it will be giving you the save file type. So you can just see your type, you can just save. If I move to Notepad, then if I just press here save, after saving it will be giving you the format. So you can just save it in the text file, or you can just save it in the on file. So it's your choice in which format you have to just use. If you don't know the format of Java, so you can just move on to Google and you can just write here format of Java save file. So here I will be now writing this. So it will be now giving you the Java save file format here. You can see click files, evolve, and then you can just move to W3 School to check the Java file here. You can see this like this you will be getting. So there will be many of the Java text editor which you can use. You can also download NetBeans here, because I think that NetBeans is also a good text editor. So you can just move here at the back, then you have to write here NetBeans. After writing NetBeans, here you will be now getting this NetBeans here. So you can download the NetBeans latest version here or any other version. I have already downloaded this, so I think that we will be using NetBeans here. So I will be now moving here and I'll be pressing NetBeans. You can see this is the 18.02 version which I am using of this NetBeans here. So you can also run your codes using this NetBeans, because it will be just really good for you. And I think that this text editor will be giving help if you moving forward. You can see these are the files which I have already created of Java. You can see this .java. You can just save your file with the name of, and then you can also run it by pressing this run button here. And these are the things which you can get here when you will be first downloading this NetBeans and when you will be working with your first folder or first file. So you'll be getting this command here. So like this, just you can use many of the text editor, because using Java there are various text editor, and I've telling you in the starting how you can download Java, in which version you have to download. I've also telling you that stuff. So I hope you understand in this video like how to set up development environment of Java, and I hope you understand this video. If you understand, enjoy this. So remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can take the benefit of these things, because I'll be uploading more videos using these all languages, and I hope you'll be understanding that things as well. So just tell me with your next project or next amazing thing. So for today, goodbye.